Ta-da! Hello and welcome to the next episode of Learn Croatian. To be exact, it's the 8th, and today we're gonna learn how to call the continents in Croatian. So first of all, most of them are written almost the same as in the English version, or maybe in German or Latin, except uh, the adjectives used for Southern America or Northern America. So, um, first I'll name the 5 continents which uh, mentioned in the theory from the early 19th century, or no, 20th century, and then I'll switch over to the subcontinents or continents. It always depends on the of the on the view of every single person or every single theory. Our first continent is of course Africa, or if we go by the alphabet. Africa is written the same as I mentioned, and you say Africa, Africa. The second one is um, on Antarctic or Antarctic. I'm not quite sure what it's called like in English or spelled like. In Croatian we say Antarctica, Antarctica. Then we have Australia, and we say Australia, Australia. America is America, America. And then I'll say Eurasia as one single continent, and we say Eurasia, Eurasia. Or in some other versions, Euroasia, Euroasia. So it's EURO instead of EUR. Okay, what about the subcontinents or other types, other definitions? We have Southern America, which is Južna America, Južna America. And we have Northern America, which is Sjeverna America, Sjeverna America. And what else could we say? We have Europe and Asia, of course. Europe is Europa, Europa. So it's not like in Russian, for example, where they say Europa. It's Europa. It's EUR. And for Asia, we say Asia. Asia. Okay, that's it. A very short lesson. I hope you liked it, and please comment. I'm always looking out for some feedback. Rate, subscribe, or send me a message if you have a question or a request for a topic, or what you would like me to talk about. And hope to see you again. Bye.